In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions on Netflix. First, start by signing in to your Netflix account. You will see the familiar Netflix homepage filled with various shows and movies. Look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. It is essential to enter your correct email and password. This step is crucial as it ensures you access your personalized account, which contains your profiles and preferences. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. You will then be directed to your Netflix homepage ready to manage your account settings. Next, navigate to the account settings by selecting Account. You can find this option in the drop-down menu right after clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. This is where you can manage various features of your Netflix account. It's important because this section provides access to all profile settings, plans, and account details. Once you click on Account, you will see a list of options and settings available for your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page as it contains everything you need to customize your Netflix experience. From there, locate and select Profiles. This option is usually found towards the top of the Account Settings page. Each profile represents a different user, allowing for personalized recommendations and viewing histories. This feature is especially useful for families or shared accounts as it keeps content tailored to individual preferences. Once you click on Profiles, you'll see a list of all the profiles associated with your account. This makes it easy to choose the profile you want to manage. Now, choose the profile you want to manage by clicking on its name. You will be taken to a new page dedicated to that specific profile. Here, you can adjust settings related to viewing restrictions and permissions. This is important because it allows you to control what content is accessible to different users, especially for younger viewers. Once you select the profile, you will see options to modify the permissions and settings associated with that profile. This ensures you are making changes to the correct user. After that, change the available profile or parental control permissions as needed. You will see different options, such as adjusting maturity levels and enabling or disabling specific features. These settings help tailor the viewing experience, ensuring it is appropriate for the user. It's essential to review these options carefully to align with what you want for the profile. Once you've made your selections, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. This step ensures that all your changes are recorded and applied correctly. Finally, select Save to finalize your changes. Once you click this button, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. This confirms that your adjustments have been successfully made. It is satisfying to see that your changes are now in effect. With these settings updated, the profile will reflect the new permissions you have set, enhancing the viewing experience for everyone involved. You can now exit the settings and enjoy Netflix with your newly configured permissions.